Hello. Krishna. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, wish you warm welcome to our second learning conference, A Journey from Agent to Financial Planner. I am sure that when I thought this title, I was also feeling little different. Why I kept this title? But as we know that in our country, in financial services, anyone wants to join. So compulsory has to become an agent with the life insurance corporation, or you can say LIC or mutual fund or capital market. But over a period of time, good person has to become a financial planner to become a successful, or you can say to take care of the client interest. So that's the reason I thought let me keep a journey from agent to financial planner. Before we proceed, थोड़े ground rules देख लेते हैं, क्योंकि आज हमारे पास मिनिमम 100 पार्टिसिपेंट है और गेस्ट स्पीकर्स ज्वाइन होंगे. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट आपने अपना फोन स्विच ऑफ और साइलेंट नहीं किया है, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट प्लीज स्विच ऑफ और साइलेंट. आई रिक्वेस्ट नॉट टू गो आउटसाइड. ओके, सो व्हेन फोन कम्स आई रिक्वेस्ट नॉट टू गो आउटसाइड, अदरवाइज अगेन ऑल कॉन्फ्रेंस विल डिस्टर्ब. So please make sure that we will have enough break. हम बारी-बारी से break लेंगे. Now we are starting at 10 o'clock, so we'll take a first tea break at 12 o'clock for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll take a lunch break at 2 o'clock. Then again evening 4 o'clock. So I request once you have decided to attend this conference on Sunday morning, okay? Because Sandeep bhai was telling me कि Sunday लोग आएंगे. I'm sure I said that those who are committed to learn, so they will come. So once we have decided to attend this conference and to learn something, so that's the reason we are here. So we have to be physically and mentally in the conference. Please come in time post break. जो भी breaks रहते हैं उसके बाद please time पे आइए. Be a student. We are all professional. Average age में बात करूँ हमारी यहाँ पे it is I can say 30 plus. So we are all professional adult people. So definitely we have a lot of experience, lot of knowledge. So I request that keep existing knowledge in a one part and give another part empty, so we can listen something new content. Note down important points of speakers. यहाँ पे करीबन we have arranged some 20 good speakers, starting from leading independent advisor to a professional like chartered accountant, you can say company secretary, or working into corporate as a senior professional, then working into corporate. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत simple है कि you have to make sure that you noted down one or two important points, and if you have noted down any points, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप क्या कर सकते हैं उनके साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो आई एक्सपेक्ट दैट यू कैन हैव अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्वेरी हैंडलिंग सेशन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपके जो भी क्वेरीज है तो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट जो है इतने सीनियर है, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी हैप्पी टू सॉल्व योर क्वेरीज. मे बी ड्यूरिंग द कॉन्फ्रेंस, इफ द टाइम डजंट परमिट दे कैन डिस्कस ऑफलाइन ऑल्सो, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू पार्टिसिपेट एंड आस्क द क्वेश्चन. We have arranged one, you can say, gift or memento for all participants. But rule क्या है? You have to follow all ground rules. तो आपको जो येलो बैग दी है वेलकम किट, उसमें एक फीडबैक फॉर्म भी दिया है. If you have gone through the your welcome kit, there is a one feedback form is there. So when you submit in the feedback form, we'll give you one memento. I thought let me just show you a memento. So when I decided this roller pen, I was thinking कि मैं मेरी branding करूँ, but क्या motivation होगा आपको use करने का? तो then I thought different. I used I am a financial planner. तो जब मैं use करता हूँ पेन, तो मुझे एक अच्छा लगता है कि I am a financial planner. So I am sure that कि you will like to you will love to use or like to use. So that's the reason I request that let attend this full conference, learn, interact with the speakers, exchange your thoughts or network with the other participants. Now let's move into the conference. We have 21 plus speakers. They are the all ground level heroes. हम देखते हैं जहाँ पे कोई भी दूसरी कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है तो वहाँ पे जो स्पीकर आते हैं वो नॉर्मली हमने देखा है कि CEO लेवल के रहते हैं, CIO लेवल के रहते हैं. तो हमने सोचा कि वो तो हम सुन ही रहे उनको, बट जो ग्राउंड लेवल पे जो काम करते हैं उनको सुनते हैं, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे CEO और CIO और वॉट एवर द CXO लेवल पार्टिसिपेंट बेसिकली गेटिंग रिजल्ट फ्रॉम ग्राउंड लेवल ना. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ आर्मी, यू कैन से मनोहर पर्रिकर इज द डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, बट आपकी ग्राउंड आर्मी आपके पास नहीं है तो क्या होगा? तो कहीं ना कहीं वी थॉट दैट लेट हैव अ स्पीकर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड लेवल, जो आप जैसे ही है, हो सकता है उसमें से काफ़ी सारे स्पीकर यहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेंट भी थे, तो मैंने पर्पसफुली उनको सिलेक्ट किया है टू शोकेस दैट कि यहाँ पे आप भी पार्टिसिपेंट है इस बार जब नेक्स्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है, एग्जांपल मई 2016 में, तो यू कैन बी वन ऑफ द स्पीकर्स. So I am sure that the speaker will add lot of learning to you. They struggle hard and earn their client interest, learn how high quality knowledge and skill set helps them to achieve the quality advice, achieving better conversion with higher ticket size, bigger SIP book size in AUM, and also charge fee to their client in long run. So definitely this is the full day agenda. So we have divided the entire conference morning 10 to evening 6 into 4 parts. First 2 hours is dedicated to the independent financial advisor. We have identified 6-7 good independent financial advisor. They have come from either Nasik or Rajkot or maybe from Shimoga, Karnataka, or from Mumbai also. So they will there share their success story. We have a guest speakers. Then कई बार हम प्रोफेशनल को मिलते हैं. When we meet the professional like chartered accountant, company secretary, MBA finance, CFA, we have a fear कि मैं उनको क्या सिखाऊंगा, पर जब हम देखते हैं कि when I interacted with them and they have attended my session and I found that they are also at beginner level like you only. So that's the reason we have identified some of the speakers, those who are the professional. They shared that when before joining the CFP certification training, they were at a beginner level, they were made a lot of mistakes in their personal investment, why financial planning is necessary for all of us. So they will interact and share their knowledge with you. Then we have a corporate advisor. We can say corporate advisor means in bank, those who work as a relationship manager, personal banker, or you can say wealth manager. I called them as a corporate advisor. They also provide the services to their individual client or corporate client. So we have seen that today, if I summarize in one simple word or one simple sentence, कि private sector banks, they have converted their you can say relationship manager or private banker into a insurance agent. क्या बना दिया उनको? Insurance agent. कैसे? क्योंकि recently one prospective participant came to meet me, and he is working since 4-5 years after MBA finance into bank. And when I say that forget everything, you are meeting to the one of your prospective client, how you will start your call? कैसे आप अपना call start करेंगे? And then he started with the XYZ life insurance plan. And when I asked one simple question after listening 15 minutes, what is the CAGR of the plan? Then he said, I don't know what is CAGR. I don't know what is CAGR. So why I am saying that in our country, suppose bank is the manufacturer or they are the distributor of the third party financial product, they want to sell the product which will generate the higher revenue. But some of the private bankers, they realize that it is not a basically lifelong success story, or if I want to become a good financial advisor, I have to do something addition. So some of the corporate advisors joined into CFP certification course, and they have found that what change has happened. So we have named as a push goal, push products, pull products, how to exceed the business target. So even if we change our approach from pushing product to pushing goal, automatically we will be able to achieve our business target. So they will share their success story. If I share quickly, in first category, I sent the one format to them. Those were the independent advisor, speaker. Okay, how you have born as an agent, when, why, how, when, what are the struggle, mistake and success story, need or motivation to be a financial planner. Then second birth as a financial planner. Then after way forward, opportunities and threat in next 3 to 5 years, your success qualities and conclusions. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमने उनको एक communication किया था, and on that communication we have 7 to 8 financial advisors. They have prepared their presentation and they will interact with you. तो मैं आपको लिस्ट बताऊं कौन कौन से स्पीकर है IFA कैटेगरी में. डेफिनेटली मैं सोच रहा था कि पहले मैं सब स्पीकर का एक इंट्रोडक्शन करूं आपसे, detailed introduction. Then I thought if I start going for detailed introduction, we may have a full day for the introduction round. So that's the reason I thought that speaker will during this introduction, during this presentation, they themselves will introduce, or when you learn and listen from them, you will find that what is the quality of the speaker, what they have achieved in their life. So we have a first speaker, Mr. Paresh Shah, leading senior independent financial advisor, Borivali, Mumbai. You can say Borivali के बादशाह कह सकते हैं, हाँ परेश भाई. Second, we have a Sandeep Gandhi, leading financial advisor, straight away came from the Rajkot. Third, one of the young financial advisor, Pashwar Shah. Fourth, Chetan, he has specially came from Shimoga, Karnataka. Then we have one Srinivas, he is an engineer and MBA. He will share how he has come into advisory business and what are his success story. Then we have one of the senior advisor from Nasik, Mr. Mukesh Chothani, Anil Mutalik, Bahar Anirao, Tejas Shah, and last is Jyoti Toshniwal. Guest speaker, we have one Mr. N.S. Kishore Kumar. So he is a very senior retired banker. So he will share his, you can say, philosophy on financial planning. Then definitely we have to thank Mr. Ashish Somaya. Thanks to his support, we have met today and we are conducting the conference. So he'll share his thought to us, okay, how the journey of financial planner is necessary. Then we have one speaker from FPSB India, Financial Planning Standard Board India, Senior VP Knowledge Management, Mr. Pushkar Shuk. Then in professional category, we have couple of speakers, Mr. Gopal Agrawal, he is Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary, Chief Internal Business Officer, working with the WNS Global System, WNS Global Services. It is a leading outsourcing MNC, Mumbai. Avinash Poddar, he is straight away coming from the Surat. He is one of the leading chartered accountant in Surat. We have one participant, Hitesh Mali, from Vadodara. He is also leading business consultant. Jigar Parekh, he is a head training with Prudent Corporate Advisory Services. Mr. Anthony Lobo, he is again chartered accountant and CFP, senior independent practitioner. Mr. Farad Gadiwala, he is also engineer, MBA, and working with UTI Mutual Fund as a head fixed product. Then Arvind Shah, zone head with the ICCA Lombard. So in banker category, I already shared that today most private bankers named as a relationship manager or wealth manager or PB are act as a agent. They push product which generate the higher revenue. But there are good private bankers are there. They have decided to take a different approach, and today they are the you can say financial planner. क्योंकि it is not necessary कि हमेशा financial planner जो है वो individual category में होना चाहिए. वो corporate में भी financial planner हो सकते हैं, वो corporate का भी करते हैं. So that's why we have one session called Push Goal, Product and Success Stories of the Banker. So we have a couple of bankers with her. Mr. Dilip Shenoy, Sanjay Dubey, he is a branch manager of Aviva Life Insurance. We have Shyam Jain, he is a GM with State Bank of India. Vikram Patel, he is a young banking professional. Ashish Shah. Now quickly before we move ahead, and we'll start with the speaker. तो थोड़े जो मैंने समझा उससे आपसे हम क्या-क्या डिफरेंस कर सकते हैं एजेंट वर्सेस फाइनेंशियल प्लानर के. तो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ कंपनी, एजेंट को हम क्या कहते हैं? इट इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द कंपनी, वेयर फाइनेंशियल प्लानर इज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ क्लाइंट और कस्टमर. सो दैट इज द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस. Definitely as an agent I have to take care of the manufacturer interest, and as a financial planner I consider the utmost the client interest. Agent start with the products, client start with the goals. Agent think for the short term, that you can say planner think for the long term. Agent think for the short term versus the financial planner think for the long term goals. Normally we always believe in first impression as a person, but what is the more important is last impression. Then agent is a good salesperson versus financial planner is a good advisor. Agent क्या करते हैं? अपने आप को मार्केट करने के लिए they do a complex presentation, जबकि financial planner क्या करते हैं? जितना हो सकता है उसका प्रेजेंटेशन को क्या रखते हैं, सिंपल रखते हैं. So if I summarize into one line, okay, what is the advantage of being a financial planner? तो first advantage क्या है, क्योंकि काफी लोग मुझे मिलते हैं, specifically when I interact with the many prospective participants, those who are fresher or those who are working into corporate. If I do a CFP, then what kind of job profile I'll get? मुझे sales में जाना होगा या कोई दूसरी job profile मिलेगी? तो I always say कि over a period of time आपकी जो ऑफिस की जॉब प्रोफाइल है एडमिन की, if you just think 20 years before bank, there is a cashier, there was a cashier, there was a clerk. Today everything is automated. In a Mumbai you will find in one bank outside ATM you have 4-5 machines. One for cash withdrawal, one for cash deposit, third is check deposit, fourth is for passbook printing. यानी कि tomorrow ये हो जाए कि when you go into a bank, you will not have anyone to attend. यानी कि वो कोई आपकी जो normal services है, admin services के लिए कोई attend करने के लिए रहेगा ही नहीं. तो कहीं ना कहीं they will more focus into the advisory. So what could be the main role tomorrow's whether you are an independent advisor, whether it is a corporate advisor, your major focus would be client acquisition. How you can acquire new client. Once you have acquired a new client, how you will be provide the quality advisory. And third is the once you are having a client base of example 100 or 200, then how you will provide the retention to the client. You will learn highest level of trust, respect of your client, receive more references, higher conversion rate, ticket size. Also charge fee to client. आज के डेट में लगता है कि how we can charge the fee to the client. But once you become a financial planner, I am sure that you will not find any problem in charging the client or getting the fee from the client. And more, you will be happy, satisfied, individual, and enjoy your profession. तो ये हमने बात कर ली एक फाइनेंशियल प्लानर के एडवांटेज की. बट समझो मैं फाइनेंशियल प्लानर बन गया, उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है? मैं फाइनेंशियल प्लानर बन गया, उसके बाद मेरा काम खत्म हो गया? नहीं. तो मुझे आगे क्या वे फॉरवर्ड देखना है? सो ब्राइट एज ए फाइनेंशियल प्लानर. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट आई हैव मेट couple of 50 plus financial advisor or financial planner, and when I ask what is the succession planning, so many, I am not saying all, but 50% they said that our children are reluctant to enter into the our business. तो कहीं ना कहीं मैंने देखा कि हो सकता है कि I am not 100% right, but हो सकता है कि कहीं ना कहीं if financial planner or as an advisor, if I have shared my image to my children or my family that I am a struggling person or this is not a good line to join, एक अच्छी इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, एक अच्छा प्रोफेशन नहीं, आप कुछ भी दूसरा कुछ कर लो, बट वो दूसरा कुछ करने जाएंगे उसमें भी उसको क्या करना होगा? स्ट्रगल करना होगा ना. फर्स्ट टाइम आप कुछ भी नया करते हैं तो यू टू डू स्ट्रगल. बट ऑलरेडी फादर आपके 20 ईयर से कर रहे हैं, उसमें वो सन या डॉटर ज्वाइन करती है, तो वो क्या होगा? It is a succession planning and struggle बहुत कम हो जाएगा because there are 100, 200, 300 clients are already in place and you can easily provide the good services. So it is very important for a young people, I am saying, because those who are 50 plus participant. So for a young people, I am saying that it is very important that when you are age of 30 or maybe less than 30, so image you have to create in your family or in society that you are one of the successful person. You must have a pride what you are doing. क्योंकि वो pride नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? आगे जाके succession planning में भी problem आ सकता है. Second, once you become a good financial planner, then you have to also think for the scaling up your business. Today we have seen that as an independent advisor, 70% time the independent advisor invests into the routine activity, like filling the form, submitting to AMC or LIC. तो चांसेस ये है कि आपका स्ट्रेटेजिक काम सफर होता है. तो हो सकता है कि उसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? यू कैन अपॉइंट वन पर्सन. वो एक व्यक्ति को आप अपॉइंट कर ले तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो आपका टाइम बचेगा. तो उसे आप क्या कर सकते हैं? मोर टाइम यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इनटू क्लाइंट एक्विजिशन, क्लाइंट एडवाइजरी और क्लाइंट रिटेंशन. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जैसे ही हम एक अच्छे फाइनेंशियल प्लानर बन जाते हैं उसके बाद हमें स्केल अप करना सोचना चाहिए. स्केल अप का मतलब ये नहीं कि you need to appoint someone for marketing of your activity. I am saying right now I am talking about scale up means कि for back office activity to save your time for routine activity. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके पास एक महीने में 100 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाते हैं या 50 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाते हैं तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप और अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं एडवाइजरी का, एक्विजिशन का. देन नेक्स्ट इज SIP in professional development. Definitely you believe in SIP or professional development, that's still today you are, but it is necessary that you have to do continuous basis. And last I thought let me introduce the digital footprint. क्योंकि आज की डेट में भी नो दैट कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत जरूरी है कि हमारी कौन सी प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए, डिजिटल प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए. तो वो डिजिटल प्रेजेंस नहीं है तो कोई क्लाइंट US में बैठा है, शायद उसको आपका रेफरेंस मिला है या कोई दूसरा क्लाइंट को आपका रेफरेंस मिला है, बट ही वांट टू चेक व्हाट इज योर प्रोफाइल एंड व्हेन ही चेक योर नेम एंड ही डजंट गेट एनीथिंग, तो क्या हो जाएगा कि वो व्यक्ति को लगेगा कि शायद ये व्यक्ति से अच्छा दूसरा कोई मैं सर्च करूं. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव अ गुड डिजिटल प्रेजेंस with help of the proper social media. That's why we have introduced one more workshop. And last is succession planning. So that's why we have introduced one workshop for you, which will help you to understand the need of your own website, why one should have a professional email ID, social media presence, and then some detailed content is there. If you are interested, we will discuss one-to-one later on. So this will help you to improve your referrals or you can say lead generation activity. Definitely, once we complete the conference, so definitely those who are not financial planner or those who are want to become a full-time financial planner. So I thought let me just also introduce the. There are two ways to do a financial planning or learn the CFP or become a CFP. Two options are there. So one is the classroom and second is video learning. Already I have given a brochure to you. So I request that in case if you are interested, maybe from tomorrow we can discuss one-to-one. Any question, queries before I complete my presentation and invite first guest? कोई query questions यहाँ पे? I understand कि AC थोड़ा slow चल रहा है ना? I understand. तो मैं वापस बात करता हूँ. So I request.
All round training है sir.
हाँ?
All round training है. We have to be on field. On field we will not have a AC.
नहीं, but अभी यहाँ पे आप field में रहते हैं तो it is my duty के, our duty के वो आपको AC मिले. तो कहीं ना कहीं